My name is Amina Rahman. I'm the coordinator of Department of Design and Interiors, the University of Faisalabad. I'm sitting in the studio for FM 96.6. बहुत अच्छा एक हमारा interactive session हुआ with Sir Farooq. जिसमें we discussed about the degrees that we're offering in our department: Bachelor's of Graphic Design, Bachelor's of Interior Design, Associate Degree Program for Graphic Design and Interior Design, and Masters of Interior Design. So this whole session was about what is the criteria, what is the eligibility, and what is the learning outcomes of the all the degrees. And it was a session that is going to be helping a lot of the students that who don't know what they're signing up for, and what they're going to be learning and what we teach. So it's just hats off to this effort. Thank you.